Hi there. I just wanted to do this short YouTube video to show my new Grizzly bandsaw, a G0513 anniversary edition, and in operation Resawing. Bandsaw came with a half-inch blade, 6 teeth per inch. I've replaced that with another half-inch blade, but 3 teeth per inch, which is more along the lines of what you want to use for resawing. Wood being resawn here is oak. It was taken from a fallen tree that had been cut up, and this was just a scrap piece that had been left behind. I've already done some resawing on it, and you can see the spalding in there. That's nice looking, I think. But anyway, without further ado, let's power this beast up and show you what she can do. See what she sounds like. Here we go. On this piece of oak wood being cut is approximately 9 inches, just a little under 9 inches. The other side. Not as much spalding over here. Like a little more over here. But anyway, that's what it sounds like, and hopefully that gives you an idea of how well it goes through oak wood. I forget whether I mentioned or not, it's a 2 horsepower motor, and boy, after my previous bandsaw was a half horsepower, this difference here is like night and day. Anyway, that's all. Hope you enjoyed the video, and take care.